FlexIO is an entirely new kind of sensor, designed from the ground up to operate in environments where existing solutions don't work, including places without power, internet access, or protection from the elements. Whether it's in your backyard or on the other side of the country, this durable battery-powered sensor uses LTE connection to provide real-time alerts so you can keep an eye on what matters most without boundaries. FlexIO works right out of the box as a contact sensor for gates, sheds, storage boxes, and virtually anything else that opens or closes. You can also monitor freestanding items like tools, tractors, and golf carts with a wired sensor input that easily connects to MagnaPull loops. No matter where you install it, FlexIO comes with all the benefits of the Alarm.com platform. In addition to our intelligent alerts, you can get real-time status updates on your phone, see FlexIO events in your activity timeline, and easily automate your other smart home devices. With FlexIO, we're welcoming a powerful new class of security solutions.